Ever since the release of the A line, which is the mid-range version of smartphones from Samsung, the A50 series has been one of the best lineup for me. Now, starting with the A50 itself, it was a very cool device that came with a very reasonable budget price. The A51 was completely outstanding. This year, they are bringing in the A52. Now, with the A52, what are you supposed to expect? What is coming in? And is it really going to be outstanding like the previous devices were? I'm Delpy. This is Bytes Unlocked. Now, the Samsung Galaxy A52 this year will be coming in with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. Other sources or other sites claim that the display would be a 6.46-inch display. Now, to clarify things with you, these are basically speculations in the sense that these are not clear specifications that might come up when they announce the device. So these are all rumors that are bound to happen to the device before it's released. The build would definitely be like that of the predecessor, which is the A51, with difference in the camera bump. So this camera design looks a bit different than that of the previous design, which was the A51. It's coming with Android 11, One UI 3.0, and all these would receive respective updates based on what their manufacturer decides to do with it. Now, if you've watched the video to this point, it means you really enjoyed my video and you've really liked it. So please leave a like on the video. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button, since it does a very big job in sending the video to places I want it to go to. Yes, if you hit the like button, the YouTube algorithm recognizes my videos and it tries to push it further for me. Thank you. Also, it's coming in with two variants, a 5G variant and a 4G variant. With the 5G variant, you're going to get a Snapdragon 750G, which is the gaming processor for the device, and the 4G variant will be getting the Snapdragon 720G. Now, all these processors are cool. They are very bright processors that have very improved capabilities, and these are 8nm chipsets, which basically means that you are not going to have a lot of heating up issues with the device in case you try and then put in strenuous activities on the device. Now, these processors will come coupled with 6 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM respectively, and a baseline storage of 128 gigabytes with a maximum storage capacity of 256 gigabytes. Up till now, I haven't received any news on whether there would be a portion on the device for an expandable SD card. You're getting a large 4500 mAh battery capacity, which might change in case if the device comes out. It might be 5000 mAh, but let's hope for the best. So you're getting a 4500 mAh battery capacity, and that is coupled with a fast charging ability, 15 watts or higher, since all these specifications, like I keep on saying, are rumored specifications. So to the final part about the device, I specially left that for the last because there's still not enough information on that yet, and that is for the cameras. The cameras, all we know so far is that the cameras on the device is coming with a 64 megapixel main camera shooter. This is so far what we on Bytes Unlocked know about the Galaxy A52. Now, looking at the speculated specifications, do I think it's going to be a good device? Yes, obviously yes. Although there's not so much difference between what was with the previously released A51, it still is a game changer in the smartphone world. I'm Delpy, and this has been it for rumors and overview videos on the Galaxy A52. I hope to catch you in another one, obviously the A72 video next.